The Japanese defense paper comes as Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's government pushes for a stronger military role by attempting to change the country's pacifist constitution. The move has drawn widespread criticism from scholars, experts, and the public in Japan, as well as the New York Times, which made it the target of an editorial on Monday. Sohn Jung has more.
The editorial supports Japan's desire to seek a greater international role, especially in Asia and with the rise of China. However, it says the problem isn't with the goal, but with the way Abe is pursuing it. Abe has long been trying to modify Japan's constitution, which permits the military to engage only in self-defense, to allow the military to engage in collective self-defense or defending an ally under attack. The newspaper notes that under normal circumstances, revising the constitution requires 2/3 approval in both houses of parliament, followed by a national referendum. It points out that Abe circumvented that process by calling for a reinterpretation of the constitution and following up with legislation in the parliament, where his Liberal Democratic Party-led coalition has a majority in the upper and lower houses. Unlike a formal constitutional change, ordinary legislation only requires a majority vote with no need for a referendum. Abe's tactics, however, have not stopped around 10,000 scholars and experts from voicing their opinions on the matter. They signed a petition opposing the new legislation and issued statements demanding the security bills be abolished, as they fear it could lead the country into war. Thousands of citizens have participated in demonstrations against the legislation, and Abe's approval ratings have dropped sharply over the last week to 38%. 손정인, Arirang News.